Hey guys, how you doing? All right. So why am I wearing the black hat and not the yellow hat? Is because the black hat's now available by the link below. I'm selling a new Cooking with Jack hat. I'm trying to get it under all my videos, but YouTube's being a little difficult. Interesting. And you can't pick the phone up and call YouTube, so I'm waiting for them to put my new hats below each video. I got phone cases, I got hats, I got all that stuff. I'll have a link down below to get to the hat. It's the only way you can get the hat right now. That's how I bought mine. So anyway, today is a food review. It is a brand called Too Good. And I thought it was just too good to be true. It's Greek yogurt, and I'm just tired of so much sugar in every single product. Every product you pull off the shelf in the supermarket, 10 grams of sugar, 20 grams of sugar. I'm like, why does tomato sauce need that much sugar in it? It's already got natural sugar in it, but it seems like they add more sugar to the tomato sauce. It's an addictive property. We're trying to stay away from it. So let me show you something that's really low in sugar. It's Too Good, guarantees 2 grams of sugar in every single Greek yogurt. So I grabbed one of every flavor, and I'm not sure if I have every one of them. Probably not, because they make so many of them. So I'm going to run down them, then we're going to try them out. Then we're going to tell you which one's the best, all right? I got blueberry, I got peach, I got vanilla, strawberry, and mixed berry, all right? So I don't know if they have fruit in them. We'll find out when we try them out. We're going to tell you about them, if they're any good. If they, Greek yogurt, it has a dryness to it. It's a wet product, but it's kind of dry tasting. I don't know how to explain that. It's not as wet as regular yogurt. So it's like being strained more than regular yogurt. All right, so let's try the blueberry first. All right, it's low in sugar, so you can tell. It's not as sweet, but it's really good. I could eat this whole container and be very pleased with it. So if you're looking for something to throw fruit in for a breakfast item, this would be the one to go with. The blueberry is really good. Let's see if there's fruit on the bottom. Hold on. No, there's no fruit on the bottom. Whoops. You might want to put a few drops of your artificial sweetener in there and mix it in. Just to give it a little sweeter taste, but there is some sweetness to it. You can really taste the blueberry. They did a great job on this one. All right, this one's peach. I expect this to be better than blueberry. I like peach better than blueberry. You can taste the peach, but I'm not a fan of the peach. Kind of has a little bit of a souring taste to it. All right, so I like the blueberry better than the peach. Let's try vanilla. This should be good. All right, so I like the vanilla the best so far. Haven't tried the other ones yet. This is the strawberry one. That strawberry is as good as the vanilla. So right now, they're tied for first. The last one we're going to try is the mixed berry. All right, okay, I got to be honest with you. Things happen on the set that you guys don't get to see. I'm going to tell you what just happened. I was pouring out the water in the sink because each one has water that collects at the top. You got to kind of drain it off like sour cream, right? So I'm dumping the water and the whole thing fell out. All of it fell out, the whole mixed berry. So I'm gonna hold on to this, and there's some right here on the wall that I could taste. That was hilarious. I just thought I'd share a behind the scenes detail with you. Wow, that's really good too. The mixed berry is good, but not as good as the other ones. Not as good as that strawberry and vanilla. So, it's called Too Good. Strawberry and vanilla are my favorites. What are your favorites? And go get them at the store right now. Nothing else is that low in sugar. None of your other Greek yogurts. I've looked at all the brands, even the generic one, even the plain one has more than 2 grams. I don't see how they do this, but I've looked at the I've looked at the ingredients. There's no like added sugars, no sugar alcohols, nothing I can see. Total sugar 2 grams. Unbelievable. That's just too good.